So I'm going to start with 1 green onion, but all of the ingredients and quantities are in the description box below. Save the green parts for garnish. There you go. 2 cloves garlic. Smashing the garlic makes it easier to peel, plus it releases the flavor and the oil. There you go. Make a cornstarch slurry by mixing equal amounts of cornstarch and water. Go ahead and crack an egg. And beat it really well till it's well combined. Now we're ready to cook. On a medium-high heat, I add about a half to a tablespoon sesame oil. Do not overheat sesame oil. When it's really nice and liquid, onion and garlic going in. Not sure if you can hear, but now let's just sizzle for a little bit to infuse the oil. Just 10 seconds is enough. Make sure not to burn the oil. I have 2 cups of hot water going in. Chicken powder, per instructions, 2 teaspoons. Whether or not you use it, please make sure you account for the already added sodium. You may also use chicken stock from the store, in which case also please be mindful of the sodium. Once it comes to a boil like this, I'm going in with 1 cup of sliced shiitake mushrooms, and mine are fresh in this case. Mushrooms get done so quickly, plus I want them to have good texture, so right about a minute they're done. Now we're ready to season the soup. Turn the heat down to simmer. The hot is coming from white pepper, half teaspoon. The sour comes from black Chinese vinegar. Regular rice vinegar, non-seasoned, so no sugar here. This one is available to buy in any grocery store. You can use as well. It tastes good. For a little bit of color, I have this black soy sauce. Half teaspoon. Dark soy sauce, very small amount, makes a big difference. It is time to taste. I can go with a little more vinegar. Now I'm totally satisfied with the sour. I can go with a little bit more hot feeling. Okay, I am satisfied with both hot and sour. As far as saltiness, I've been using this chicken powder for a long time, and to me, per package instructions works perfect. But you can of course use soy sauce or combination with sea salt. Thicken the soup with this cornstarch slurry. So just slowly add. Now look at that consistency. Does that look like a restaurant stuff? I think it does. Lastly, let's wake up this egg a little bit. Slowly add in circular motion. It will also further thicken the soup too. Basically, let the egg solidify and we're done. My friends, Take a look at these beautiful strands of egg. Beautiful, right? So the key is to add the egg and don't disturb it. Let it solidify and you get this. There you go, my friends. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is my idea how to satisfy your craving for hot and sour soup quickly, easy, at home. I hope everyone had a wonderful holiday season. And until next time, I wish you nothing but the best. Thank you so much, as always, for watching.